All right, we are on air right now, so I'm going to close out of this phone call that we have and see if you can get on your Gmail and join. And if you can't, just message me on the Google Hangouts. Hey, Dwayne, there you are. What's up?
Oh, finally, I figured it out how to get to you again. It's just stumped me.
All right, these guys should be coming soon.
Okay, so you start a new session, right?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know why this time it decided to take a dump on me. I don't know.
I don't know either.
Where's your picture?
I don't have it up.
I'll put mine in the background and we'll wait for the other guys to come on.
Here, I'm going to message them on the Google Hangouts.
I wonder if you can do that.
Have y'all found it? It really shouldn't be too hard because I sent him a. Hey, Marco, what's up? What happened to Dwayne?
I just accepted your invitation and that's it. That was easy.
Dwayne dot Rosenthal. Oh, there he is.
Great.
Hey, and Scott's here. Okay, so the only person we're missing is Jordan, and he was supposed to be late. So I think we should just move on with our stuff. Do you guys have the quiz pulled up? Okay, great. The other thing we have to do is talk about the, here, I'm going to share my screen. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Present to everyone.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Whoa, infinity. Cool. All right, can you guys see it? Whoa, that's here.
How'd you do that?
Stop screen sharing. Let's try it again. That's weird. Let's try this. Stop screen share. Actually, cancel. No. Deny. Here, let's try this. All right. Okay, cool.
Cool.
Is this moving? Okay, present to everybody. Is this moving? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. If I switch to another thing, does it switch? Oh, no, I probably have to switch my thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I already have an Excel spreadsheet set up with the questions here. Do you want to just go through them? And somebody read me the questions, and I'll show you on the Excel spreadsheet how I came to the answers, and you guys can double check.
Cool.
Okay, cool. I'm going to change to this Excel spreadsheet then.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's read the first or the third question, really.
So is the blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution? True.
Yeah, it does. If you go,
everything equals one.
Yellow box at the pretty much the top. If it follows the 3 rules of the probability, it is. So.
Yeah, pretty basic.
Yep. All right. So what is the probability that you randomly selected a person in the United States with type-O blood? 45%.
Yeah,
Pretty easy.
we have to do it as a decimal, though. 0.45.
Yep. 45 minus 1 is 55, so 55%.
Cool.
Yep. So the bowel question, where the dog guesses at random, it's 14%. That's 1 in 7.
Mm-hmm.
1 in 7, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So this question, I'm not quite sure, and I think they might be trying to trick us, but it does seem pretty straightforward. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is unlikely that the dog would do well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? I think that it provides strong evidence.
That the dogs can detect.
Yes.
Even though, because it says out of the 54 trials, they did it right, less than 50%.
Yeah. Well, it says right here in this sentence, it is unlikely that the dogs would do this well by random chance alone. That's, but here, what does it say? So I think it probably wants us to figure out what the hypothesis and the null hypothesis is, right?
Right.
And so the
Yeah.
probability that I came up with for it is 40%.
40%. That's what I got too.
And so, I mean, what would that mean? Would that mean that we could?
Less than 50% chance that it'd be right.
Well, I
Right,
know,
so
but
I would say that there's little evidence.
Yeah, I would say the same.
okay. Let's do that. We always have 2 chances, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
They're average too.
How's it going, Jordan?
Hey, what's going on, guys? Just got back from work.
Great.
Awesome.
So, let's see here. So NMMs.
0.13, 8.
So yeah, red 0.13.
I guess pretty far into it.
Yeah, we're at question 8. We'll go back over it from the top, and you can check us. All right, so green is 16%. Not green is just 1 minus 16 is 0.84.
Mm-hmm.
These are the following ATC scores. So half or equal to, that would be the median, right?
Yeah, so it'd be 24.
What was that?
Half the observations are less than or equal to what number? 24, the
22.
median.
24.
Why is it not 22?
Well, 22 is the lower quartile.
Uh-huh.
That's 25%. That's the lower 25% of the sample.
Percent.
And the median is, 50%. So
We're weighted heavy on the other side then.
what'd you say, Dwayne?
We're weighted heavy on the other side. So you're on 11, right?
Yeah, we're on 11. So half the observations are less than or equal to 24.
If you do 24.3 for number 12 then?
Based on the information above, the top 25% of students scored above what number? That would be the
27?
Third quartile would be 27.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the rules of probability. which the following statement is not one of the 3 rules of probability?
Yes.
Let's see. I'm pretty sure.
Because it says that a probability can be negative and it cannot.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So let's go to the top. So Jordan,
Oh, it's okay.
Jordan can go through it with us and check our score, check our work. So true and true for questions 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Blood types are, and given the table above, define a probability distribution. We put true. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? We put 0.45. That's just in the table right there.
Okay, yep.
To do question number 5, the probability that someone will not have O-type blood is 0.55. We just took 1 and subtract 45.
5. Got it.
This is dogs lie down next to stool samples to see if they can find cancer. Their likelihood that they will do it is 14%. That they will correctly identify the cancer is 14%. And then
So 6 is 14%.
yeah, 14%.
So 0.14.
Now, how do we get there?
Well, 0.14. So you have 1 bull that is bull cancer, 6 bulls that are controls, and so 1 plus 6 is 7. So the dog gets 1 chance, and you divide it by 7.
It's 14%. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, 14.2. Oh, how long does it want?
It says 3 decimal places.
Okay, so 14.3. Or
Yeah, 14 point. Is it 0.3?
yeah, so
0.143.
yeah,
143. Yes. So it'll be 0.2.
Let's see.
Well, 143. Well, the first.
So it's 1.4.
So it'll be 143.
1.43.
Yeah.
14.3. Okay.
Did you round up?
Are we expressing decimals 0.143 or 14.3?
It's 0.143.
0.143. Got that. Okay. Good.
When did you come in, Jordan?
You guys are on like number 8 or something.
Okay, so combined trial, total of 54 trials. They identified the cancer 22 times. It's unlikely that they would do that by chance. What are the statements are appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer, or is there little evidence? I actually kind of think it's number A.
Okay.
But
because of the 22 over 54 trials, is that why? Or
no, it's because of the sentence that says it is unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone.
oh, okay. So it's more. Okay, I see.
It's little.
I see
Yeah,
the logic
but
there.
the others don't agree with me.
So there's very little. So everybody thinks it's B.
Yeah, everyone thinks it's B. Everyone else.
All right. So the dogs correctly identified.
Let's talk it out.
Yeah.
It
Why
is
do you
very
think?
unlikely that dog would do this well by random chance alone. This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. Well, I mean, probability is all about
The percentage, isn't it?
like random.
Yeah, well, if the dogs had 54 trials,
So it would have to do something with those numbers, right? So like, it
right?
would,
So let's.
Oh,
50,
I read it again. So you might be right. So it's like telling you that it's unlikely that the dogs.
would do this well by random chance alone.
yeah, if it was random chance,
Then there wouldn't be much
expect them
evidence.
to only get it right 8 times.
Right.
Yeah.
7.7 times. So I think that this provides strong evidence that dogs can detect
Yeah.
bladder cancer.
Yeah, I agree.
I read the question again, and then you're right.
Yep.
Okay,
All right,
good.
so Eminem. One.
Yeah.
Yes, A.
Okay, awesome. 13.
Point 13, right?
Mhm.
Yep, point 13.
Just it's on the chart.
Yeah, it's just right there on the chart. Point
There's a
13.
probability selecting a random green.
Point 16.
0.16 because it adds up to 100 and that's the number it's missing.
Yep.
Okay.
And then 0.84 is the possibility of not pulling out a green.
Just minus that from 100.
Yep, just subtract 16 from 100.
Okay, if it's 0.8 and it's around the 2 decimal places, we have to put a 0 behind it.
Around to two
Yeah, so it's
decimal places.
0.84.
0.84.
Yeah.
That's the only way it would really be. But all right, half observations are less than or equal to what number?
Oh, yeah. So we put 24.
24 is the okay. Oh, because it's the median,
Yeah, 24 because it's the median. Wait.
right?
Yeah. The top 25% of students scored a 27 because the third quartile. Which of the following statements is not true of the 3 rules of probability? We pick C because it says the probability is negative and probability can't be negative.
Can't be negative, yeah.
Okay. So are we ready to submit this?
I think so.
See what happens.
All right. So we got this quiz.
Good.
We're good? Yep,
Mhm.
15 out of 15, 100%.
Good job, guys.
All right.
Good job.
I noticed on our homework we have to do something with our
Collaboration thing, right?
collaboration thing at the very end. So we have an 8-sided die. Oh, my computer's kind of freezing up. Just a second.
There's only 2 questions. Let's see. An 8-sided die has 8 possible outcomes for each roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Calculate the probability of rolling a number greater than 5.
Well,
So
that's
there's only 3 numbers higher than 5.
right. So let's see here. So we get on Excel and we go 1 divided by 8. So 0.125. And so
125 times.
3 times this. So you have a 37.5% chance.
What is it?
37.5
Yeah.
of rolling greater,
And 5.
and then a 62.5% chance of rolling
Not greater
less
than 5.
Yeah, equal to or greater than 5.
If you would just minus 100 from 30. Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Well,
yeah, that's
that was easy. That was pretty simple.
Yeah, cool. So I will post this right now.
Is there a thing we have to do? Because I saw there was something separate for that group collaboration thing.
Oh,
Yep, we're
really? Is
supposed
there
to.
anything else?
Yeah, we're supposed to
Well,
help.
Besides
There's like I think it's like a group discussion thing. Let's see.
Oh, I'll check.
Yeah, post a link to your group video. Oh no, that's just it.
That's just the same thing we have to do every week.
Cool.
So it's just okay, group meeting and then okay, cool.
Okay.
This was.
We are done.
Yeah, that's awesome.
All
Hey
right.
guys, I have a question for you before you leave. I've done this statistics class over 40 years ago. Is there any chance you guys could help me through at the part where I get stuck on places where I can be able to figure it out, or do I have to leave the class? I'm really swamped.
Where are you getting stuck at?
Well, it's the basic terms, because I haven't been in stats class probably for over 40 years ago.
What's the basic term? The terms, like the vocabulary?
We had this for definition. I haven't seen them in that long. I just wanted to see that how they correlate, because I remember that there are ratios and there's going to be percentages and such like that, and I wanted to know if you guys can help me through that.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. You need help right now?
Well, right now I'm kind of not right now exactly, but I'd like to be able to do it later, like before our next meeting on Thursday. Go over some of the stuff that I'll have questions on at that time, so I can.
Okay.
Have you set up a time with a tutor?
I have not.
There are free tutors available through BYU, Idaho, and you can set up a recurring appointment. And all you have to do is go to your student tab, go to the left-hand side and say request a tutor for the class, and you can meet with them several times a week. If you don't see a tutor that matches a time that you're available, call the tutoring center directly, and they can a lot of times find somebody for you. Okay, I can even walk you through setting it up right now if you want. Would you like to do that?
Sure.
Okay, so go here. I'm gonna do this with you. So open a new tab on your browser.
Okay.
And go to Google. And then sign in. And you'll see when you sign in, it says My BYU, and you have some tabs at the top: Home, Student, Holds, Email, iLearn, and more. Here, let me share this. Let me share this screen with you. That way you can follow along. Let me know if you fall behind. Okay. Okay, got it? Got it, Dwayne?
Yep.
Okay, so click on your student tab.
Got it.
Go over here on the left-hand side, and under quick links, you're going to see tutor request.
Okay.
You can use your BYU Idaho login, which is the top option.
Okay.
You say, then you click on Get a Tutor.
Okay.
You click on the class that you want to take something,
Okay.
and then you click on Math Study Center.
I'm on it.
Okay. Mine's taking a little bit to load. Okay, so you can click on so you can see the appointments too. So you can see right here, this blue is an appointment, but all these green slots are times that tutors are available to meet with you. So you could meet with one tomorrow from 3 to 4 p.m.
All right.
You can do that. You do that right now.
I could, but I can't until 4. I have to go to Thursday because I'm 5 to 6.
I can't hear you very well. There's a baby crying somewhere, and I can't hear you. Over the
Sorry. Sorry, guys.
Okay, I can see it.
Yeah, so and if you sign up for a tutor, that's going to be more appropriate than using our group meeting time to catch you up or whatever. And obviously we're happy to help, but if you need extra help, the tutors are the first place you should go, I think.
I can do that. I can certainly give it a try.
Okay. And it looks like there's lots more slots here than when I signed up. And actually, if you want, you can even take this slot for me because I have to go to Wood Badge on Friday. So I'm not going to be able to make this one. In fact, I'm going to cancel it right now.
Oh, but that's too early in that. I can't make it to that time.
Yeah.
So,
and like I said, if you don't see one on there that'll work for you, call the tutoring center directly, and a lot of times they can hook you up.
Okay.
All right.
I'll give it a whirl.
Anything else?
No, I guess not.
No.
Yeah, okay.
No.
You won't be able to in the next meeting?
Thursday?
Yeah, on Thursday.
Oh, on Thursday? Oh, okay.
Oh,
Sounds
me?
good.
Or I'll be able to make Thursday meeting for sure. I have that day off, so.
Okay.
Okay, do you want me to try to host it again and see if we can get it rolling?
Well, how about we do what we did tonight? I'll when we all get onto the Google Hangout, I'll go and I'll start a live streaming event right now, or right as we all get on.
Sounds good.
Sound good?
That works.
Because it worked tonight, let's just do it next week.
All right.
Or
All right.
on Thursday, not next week. All right, cool. Sounds good.
All
All right,
Thanks.
guys.
All right, see you later. Hasta luego.
Bye.
Awesome.